Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll just be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can make your own face mask. This one's gonna come with air ventilator, air so that you'll be able to breathe well. So it's quite easy. Just trace out the pattern you want, which is of course this plates. At least it should be 10 inches or more, so it just depends on how wide you want it to be. This part, just put it into, cut it and then turn it inside out before you sew. This tutorial I decided to use needle and thread so that you won't have any excuse to say, hey, I don't have sewing machine, that's why I don't have a face mask. So just use needle and thread, sew it, and then leave an opening for the air vents. You see it now. So this is the opening. Then you fold again into. It's already formed. So just sew these parts also. Then you turn it to the frontal parts. Now we are going to hem the opening to give it a neat finish. I'm always bent on neat finish. It's very important. It makes it more appealing. So this is what it's going to look like. So you fold the tip. This is where the rubber is going to come in. So this is it. And this rubber, you can make it 7.5 or more. It just depends on how fit it's going to be on you. So there's always room for adjustment. So I'll be showing you guys 2 ways on the kind of strap you need to use for this. This is just the first one. This is actually not my favorite kind. I'm not comfortable with rubber, so I'll be using the fabric to do the strap. So this is it. Now for the fabric, just make 8.5, 1 inch, fold it. This is what it's going to look like. Then just attach it directly to the back of the mask. You don't need to fold it like the previous one. This is what it's going to look like. So hopefully you make yours now that you've seen this. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. Till my next video. Bye.